What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be installing a duckbill spoiler on the back. And what I did was I didn't want the gloss black ones like what usually everybody does. Like I told you guys before, I want something different. So here it is. I actually had this paint matched with the car, of course, by the VIN number and everything like that. And at the pearls and at the paint correction, and then ceramic coated. Because the whole car is paint corrected and ceramic coated. So the pearls hit different in it. And I want to make sure this kind of looks, well, not kind of, it will look the same as if it's part of it. And I didn't want something to be like, you know, a little off looking, off white, and then you have beautiful white on the car, and then you have like off white on the spoiler. So, yep, let me get a closer look for you guys on this thing. Even though there's no light or anything like that, just the daylight, whatever's remaining outside. Do you see those pearls on them now? Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That was not there before at all. And it's a little bit dark out, but still, you can still see him. I get closer, of course. There you go, perfect. See those pearls? That's what I'm talking about. And I'm about to install this bad boy on the back now. It looks super nice and clean, of course. And you guys know the process. I have a few videos on installation, but I'll make this one quick and simple. On the back side, of course, I got the Gorilla 3M tape. That's what you want to use all the time. You never want to use the red one because that comes off easily. And that's that. I got it all covered, all sides. I have a video of it, an installation video, how it's properly done. But on this one, this video, we're just gonna make sure, you know, major things and see how it looks once it's installed. So you wanna start off by removing these push tabs, these clips. If you use a flathead in there and then pop it out, it pops right out, super easy. You wanna go ahead and remove those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know if it's 9. Yeah, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10? Whatever. You guys know where they are. It's right there. Remove those first. Now I'm using a 5/16 socket, which is removing that bolt over there. There are 2 of them, one in that corner all the way, and the other one is in this corner right there. And I'm using a 5/16 socket for that. And once those are removed, you want to go ahead and pull the stock spoiler and push this with the needle nose plier. Push these inwards, they're clips, and then as you push it, you can pull out. You literally have to just pull this outwards. In the beginning, few clips gonna be stiff. Like if you let it go, it's gonna go back in. So I have like a cardboard or something on you, pieces of cardboard, so you can put the cardboard here and then it won't go back in. And go for the other one, then go for the other one. Once you release like 3 of them, you should be able to release the rest easily. And there's going to be a little bit of 3M tape over here, this corner, and the same thing on the other side. So this will keep it held together, so this can come off easily. Let's get that to it. And if you have a buddy to help you out, it's gonna be a lot easier because those clips are a little bit stiff to work with. So there's literally all of them over there. So the worst one is all the way in the corner on each side. Like you will see it there when you're working on it. And a quick note, I'm using a magnetic tool right here. It costs like $2. See that? You get a bigger one for like $5 or $6. I'm using this so I don't drop that socket. Once I made the socket loose, I just grab this and just kind of spin it easy so I have more space to get that socket so I don't drop it. So just kind of, the magnet helps me hold on to it, safely get it out. All right, it's getting a little bit dark outside, but don't worry, I'm gonna use a side door light for myself. And the beauty of it, when your car's brand new, I don't gotta worry about the adhesive. I just heat it up a little bit. Adhesive came off with that. I removed those seals, the rubber seals. I make sure I'm gonna keep them with the stock spoiler so I could put those seals back on. A lot of people question me how I cover this. If you have really good vinyl, cut like a really good circle, like enough to a point where the water doesn't travel through it and then goes in. Make sure it's big enough. Rubbing alcohol, clean the surface, and then put the vinyl over, heat it up, make sure it sticks really good. Just do the same thing for everything else. And I'm just gonna use a 3M tape for myself. Gorilla 3M tape, since I don't have vinyl on myself, I'm gonna put this. Gorilla 3M tape will do it. I had that on my previous, the black on black Accord, and it lasted me over 2 years. I didn't have to worry about it, but I'm gonna do the same process again. Other than that, it looks really clean. I don't have to worry about any adhesive or stickiness or anything like that. I'm just gonna cover these holes and line up the spoiler and put that on and see how it looks. And also a quick tip, guys, I'm using masking tape right here to kind of line everything up where I want to put my adhesive promoter. That's the most important part, because I don't want to put adhesive promoter like all over the place. I just want to make sure I put it literally with a line, so this way I'm not using it all over the rear trunk. And this tip helps me out by putting the adhesive promoter in the right spot, not all over the place. And of course you're going to put some over here in the corner anyways, in the bottom part as well. Adhesive promoter should be coming down here as well, literally in this section right here, a little bit of, not even this, right above it, not that, right above it. So that's that. As you guys could see, the pearls, that was not there before. It was just look off-white, hazy, yellowish, but got it paint corrected and ceramic coated. And check this out, this is what I use. So I'll put my affiliate link in the description below. Got it from Amazon. You get like 5 of them, I think, in a pack. There's like a sponge in there, so it works really great. And I use this on every time I use like side skirts or front lip, you know, that has to be stuck with Gorilla 3M tape. I make sure I use that on the body panel. Give it about 20 seconds to kind of heal up onto the body paint, and then like dry up, and then go ahead and stick everything up together. But yeah, I'm gonna put the videos link in the description below of the installation during the daytime, so you guys know exactly what to do. Like pretty much just make sure you guys measure each side from here, just like that. It's probably going to be like this much gap on both sides, and you want to make sure there's no gap in between in the bottom as well. Like you will see this is like a stopper, like this will literally stop it. So you hear that? That's what you want to make sure on both sides. You can run your fingers like with it, just like this, what I'm showing you, and you will feel like if there's a gap in the middle or not. You want to make sure it sits nice and tight. That's the video I'm going to be putting on the description below. If you guys want to see the installation during the daytime, it will help you guys out. And that's it, guys. So let's see what it looks like once this thing is installed. All right, this is how it came out actually. Check it out. It looks really great. A lot better than that stock tiny spoiler. Yeah, it's finally done. Just gonna let it cure overnight. It'll be perfect timing too. Put it back in the garage, but I will make a daytime video for you guys as well. But so far it looks really great from stock. What you guys think? Right choice, or should I stuck with the gloss black? Looks good to me actually. Just blend in. I didn't want to have too much black in the rear, you know what I mean? That's the main reason why I wanted to like put the pearl, especially being a pearl white car as well. I wanted that pearl, you know. I don't want to have pearls and then just gloss black. It'll just look off. But going into pearls, pearl white, paint corrected ceramic looks really nice. So blends really nice in, and we'll wait till it's daytime and we'll continue.